Hi, our names are Soungjin, Jigmey, and Nikhil, and we're gonna talk about plastic bottles, cruelness, and impact on our environment. Hope you enjoy the show and learn a lot about the plastic ball. It might help you during your lifetime.
The first part of the cycle is extraction, which is used to set the material for the plastic bottles. The substance extracted is oil, which is used to make fossil fuel for bottles. This hurts the environment's balance. Did you know that 67,000 barrels of oil are extracted every year?
When coals are extracted, the leftover coals can fall on a bird or animal. That will kill them by the oil. The oil will make a bird heavy, so the bird can hunt. Afterwards, the bird can't eat, and they will die of starvation.
Before World War I started, America was extracting oil, but they wanted to extract more oil. So when they went to Europe, Europe wanted to stop them from extracting oil from their country. That was the reason for World War I.
Global oil to make plastic water bottles uses 97 million barrels of oil per year, and it takes 1/4 of oil to make 3 water bottles. That is a lot of water bottles to make in 1 year.
When coal is burned to make a bottle, the gas from the burned coal can go to our lungs that give us lung cancer. But not only does that affect us, but it also affects animals and trees.
When balls are produced, the toxic goes to us, so people get cancers. People want to stop this toxic waste. Just think if someone you are close to or know died because of this reason.
It takes 1,000 kilometers for water bottles to travel to a store. It needs oil that is quite limited, and it makes a lot of pollution. When there are more drivers, trucks, and water balls, there will be more pollution.
When the plastic bottles are transferred, the smoke from the vehicle spread to us, and this smoke can make us sick. The gas can even affect our ozone layer. That makes the planet warmer and unsustainable.
When balls are sent, the pedestrian receives the vehicle smoke, so people wear masks to get protected from these toxic. A lot of people suffer from these gases. You don't want to receive any toxics from these gases.
What I can't believe is that only 12% of the bottles are recycled. The rest are all disposed of. Also, there's enough oil and energy from the plastic bottle making to light up 32,000 homes out of 100,000 homes a year. That is a lot of energy and bottles wasted.
A lot of pollution is from the water bottle factories, and when we buy things and continue to buy things, we cause the pollution ourselves and consume the products for the pollution.
People buy ball, and there are several kinds of problems. Each company wants to sell more plastic ball than others, so they fight or have a race to win over who gets the most economic money.
Disposal is one of the most unenvironmental parts of the cycle because it technically means throwing away useful things. 96% of bottles end up unreusable. 840 bottles are discarded each second, and only 12% of the bottles are recycled. We dump the trash in a landfill, which causes environmental destruction.
When we dispose the plastic water bottles, the birds will think it's food, and they will eat it, which can kill them, and the predator of the bird will die of starvation, and it will affect the food chain and ecosystem.
Those plastic water balls are in the landfill. The scientists want to stop and reuse those plastic water balls, but people keep buying balls, so company rises. We need to stop buying bottles. When we buy more toxic there will be.
If we keep buying plastic water bottles, it will not only affect animals, it'll affect almost everything on Earth. It even causes climate change, which means basically that the whole world is going to be affected. It even fills up most landfills on Earth.
The plastic water bottles poison the environment and all of the other living things. Our group's opinion is to ban the plastic water bottles and rebel against the water bottle companies.
We can solve it by changing plastic water ball into metal plastic ball or glass water balls. Also, we can recycle or reuse to make a sculpture of something.
Special thanks to abcbird.com, Bottled Water episode, Bottled Water and Energy, Hard Problem, link to Bottle Use Toxic, Story of Stuff, Garbage Patch, BPA Update, and thanks to our expert teachers, Miss Rahel and Miss Brassard.
This is our credits. Hope you enjoyed and stop the water bottles.